Understanding Audience Poll, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, audience poll. Whether you're watching a game show, participating in a seminar, or just curious about this common term, this video is for you. An audience poll refers to a method of collecting opinions or votes from a group of people, typically an audience at an event or viewers of a broadcast. It's a way to gauge the collective opinion or preference on a specific topic or question. Audience polls are common in various settings. 1. Television shows, especially game shows or reality TV, where the audience's vote can influence the outcome. 2. Public events like conferences or seminars, where speakers may ask the audience's opinion on a topic. 3. Online platforms, where content creators might poll their viewers or followers for feedback or opinions. To better understand, let's see some examples. The game show host asked for an audience poll to decide which contestant should advance to the next round. During the webinar, the presenter conducted an audience poll to understand the group's general opinion on the topic. Understanding the phrase, audience poll, is crucial because it 1. Enhances comprehension of media and public events. 2. Helps in engaging with interactive content more effectively. 3. Broadens vocabulary for participating in discussions about public opinion and collective preferences. That's all about audience poll. I hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases can enrich your English learning journey. See you in the next video.